Health and wellness is important to CarShield, so we started these classes for everybody to be able to join. This past 3 months, we've had a competition going where they could win a vacation. If you hit your fitness goal 3 months in a row, you are entered into this raffle. Throughout our company, we had over 100 people participate, 34 qualified for the vacation raffle. Thanks for joining us down there. Pretty proud of all of you. We've got a lot of people that were already working out and just even more consistent, or we've got people that were not working out at all and you stuck it out for 3 months. Overall, just seeing you put more weight on the bar, do things you couldn't do before, it's really cool to see that over a 3-month process. So all of you that qualified are on one of these raffle tickets. We're gonna put them in this drum, mix it up real good. Allie Will!
I'm honestly shocked, ecstatic to say the least. I've only ever been on a plane a few times and I don't usually have this good of luck, but I'm very happy, very thankful. I mean, this company has done so many incredible things for me, for my personal life, for my professional career. So I get to choose between Las Vegas, Breckenridge, Jamaica. I'm definitely going with Jamaica. The concept of going to a gym and working out has always been a very anxiety-inducing thing for myself. I always felt like there's no way I could ever be comfortable in a gym, and when I was approached about joining CarShield's workout classes, I was like, I'm absolutely willing to try. I would love to try it out. I'm just really concerned about being judged or being, made fun of just simply because of the size I am. And ever since joining the classes, my confidence is so much better. I feel like I have a better way to just get out any frustrations, any anxieties that I have. I've never worked with a personal trainer in the past, so that was another source of anxiety for me when I joined these classes. Richard has been incredible, very understanding. He sets all of his workouts to be inclusive for whatever experience level you are, whatever strength level you are, whatever size you are. Pushes you just the right amount to keep doing more, to feel more confident in where you are and where you can get to. I've never personally worked for another company that values employees' health and wellness as much as CarShield has. This company encourages you to get out there, to move more, to do more. That is such a huge thing. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate it. Thank you, Richard, so much for all your help. But I'm out of here. I'm going to Jamaica.